다들인데 전에 주제 까무버시기 달러주던 제외관에 민세기 왕 저유인바래.
Tonight, I will be conferring the ripening empowerment based on the Guru Sadhana of the Mahasiddha Karmapakshi.
다들이양 가르쳐다 다들 아무튼 양주 망버지 드린 대표 망버지게 아니 버실러주게 지 냠렌 냠레 나게 드레 망위 기르성도 드린 주산에 다나 신기야 같이 버실러주사디 냠렌 걸다 유여버데 망위 기르 다드린 주상에 망버지 슈 먹어버체 이나다디 I think
that many of you who have come here tonight are already practicing the Karmapakshi, Guru Sadhana, and others of you know a great deal about it already. So in a sense, there's no need for me to say very much by way of introduction, but I will briefly introduce the empowerment.
다들이양 통 드네 까마버시티 드네 용자래야 까마부 군진이 벌무지는 게 알아.
Karmapakshi is usually identified as the second Jawan Karmapa.
이나야 오늘 전에다 루규 난거 중림도 제베이나 However,
speaking strictly in a historical sense, it would be more proper to refer to him as the first Jawan Karmapa.
다들 간데르스나 까마부 투숨 캠베 걸리야다 까마부사 체인지 이 상생 소르지 상외 체인 소르지 되지 예브레 마다베 다 용수 차베 다지 마솔이야 까마부사 체인디 The
reason I say this is that his predecessor, the first Karmapa Dusum Chenpa, bore the name and title Karmapa only in the way of a secret name and was not publicly known by that name or title. There are many such instances of the secret name of the predecessor becoming the public name of the successor in the lives of the successive Jawan Karmapas. For example, the third Jawan Karmapa's well-known name is Rongjung Dorje, which was the secret name of his predecessor, the second Karmapa, Karmapakshi.
Karmapakshi zeshabe peshamambugi zejanglia Rongjung Dorje zeba insad liare khashigi norni di sumba Rongjung Dorje zeba inba nordruare.
And for that reason, because Karmapakshi signed most of his written works, Rongjung Dorje, for many years, people misidentified them as writings of the third Karmapa, Rongjung Dorje.
대신도 레베 도지디 까마부 순비에 상생이바 디시베기 용스타비 세네 규버레스 데야 순수도.
It's also said that Rolpe Dorje, the public or wide-known name of the fourth Jawan Karmapa, was the secret name of the third Jawan Karmapa, Rongjung Dorje.
다디 주골 망부지 아주 데리디 academic 가서 계제되서데 아주 시라시에 먹어지 다 리서치 되서 계제시에 먹어지 다 간다량 kama poshi 가르쳐 알았으나 가두이네야 민요스 잡에 karma pass nga 민요스 잡에 karma ba 인스체 망보수 알아.
I won't go on with this subject as it's largely an area for academic research. But in any case, it was Lord Karmapakshi who first became widely known as the Karmapa, and therefore he often referred to himself as the one widely known as the Karmapa.
Pöla 주베 고 통마르 영화대양 저 까마 버시기 지진이 되는 총아지 임바 시에초고 알아.
And one could say that as he was the first widely recognized tulku of Tibet, the tulku system fundamentally originated in Tibet through his activity.
대 간데스 총벌의 수비나 당부 수비 대사대서 까마베기 운규기 심베다 체시로부터 알았어.
How did this occur? Originally, the plan was that the succession at Tsurpo Monastery would be a nephew lineage, starting with the nephew of the first Karmapa.
이나 홍기 원보디 더 자박 강바사 중월에 자박 강바사 디 규반징겐 디주 세브레 자박 강바사 라마지로 디 규반징겐데 고주 주바샤 있어. 주바샤네 자박 강베 규반징겐 디주 까마버시 원보디 세송
Karmapakshi wombo am dusunjema Karmapakshi wombo sesong. Chapa kangpa de lama shenda ke tsene.
자바 강바디 뒤숨케베 람 로마지레 자바 강바디 이나다 코란다 말다 이나 코란 그 규번 징게 디수 그 추버셔네
Olasa.
까마버시 그 원보디 세소
Holders of the lineage of a lama called Chapa Kangpa, who was himself a disciple of the first Karmapa Dusum Chenpa. So it wasn't that lama himself, but his lineage successors or heirs, and fought with the nephew of the second Karmapa, Karmapakshi, and killed him or assassinated him.
전제 메인의 뒤준세 때네 다 윙규 인지야데 매 차비 인두사네 되는 주규 인지야게 된데게 다 까마버시 그 토리아 다 주규 인진 공부를 된데 샤워래
Because that eliminated the possibility of a nephew succession or inheritance, Karmapakshi conceived the idea or plan of an incarnation or tulku inheritance system.
되네 다 되라 주버가 유기 주도 첨부 되네 겨워 삼백이 로마 주시 우긴바디 되네 코랑기 다 가서지 투지 꼭니 서마르베 투지 기베 꼭니 엔 소글이야 데 주제 우긴바 꼭니 아니 주제 우긴바 덴바 때네 엔 공기 연시 제마데 주제 우긴베 다고 잡고 봐 이제 까나가
As the Mahasiddha Ujjenpa, who was a disciple of the great Drukpa Kagyu Mahasiddha Gudzongpa, encouraged Lord Karmapakshi to do this, then he was given by Lord Karmapakshi, entrusted with the teachings, and also given the responsibility of the upbringing of his subsequent reincarnation.
런중도지 까마 수버 런중도지 공로 그지 숨쉬거려 임베야다 야고 정면도 다 간다 숨쉬거려 되네 주진 우긴비군도 용네 한 고랑 까마바 인스가 까마 이바 인스 근데 켈레나 주진 우긴비 딱고 망보세네 되네 까마베 연시 임바 고랑 라메 연시 임바 녜시 녜네 되네 까마 되네 주공지샤 shumbre.
When the third Jawang Karmapa, Rongjun Dorje, was 3 or 4 years of age, he entered the presence of the Mahasiddha Ujjenpa and announced that he was the Karmapa, Ujjempa tested him in various ways, and through those tests gained certainty that he was in fact the reincarnation of his guru, and so he was enthroned.
Tēnī chūgūng ngūnzīng kī tā kāndā kū chūgūng ngūnzī chā tī ān pio kī nāmbā sāngī bē kī tīmū wā yī kēchū rū chā rī wā rē tēyā tēnī kāma bōshī tā chīlē chā xē rū jī rēs lā bē yī na mā rūpa mē bā rū jī tōng dū.
It's for this reason that I say that the identification of reincarnate lamas or tulkus, which is a unique or special feature of Tibetan Buddhism, began in this way as an aspect of the activity of Lord Karma Pakshi.
Tēn dāna shīng kāma bōshī kī tā chē wē yuñ tē sā rā tīmū wā yī kēchū jī kā rā sā na ngā rā pio lī yā tēnī tēmbā tōngmā rā sāngī kī tēmbā tōngmā rā tsū bē kāp lā wā yīng kī hlā bēn shī mū bē mā chūng nā dēn chāngā dē tēnī hlā sīng dūpa jī thām jī tā tūy nē tā jī tū kā rā shū bē tū tāng zūn chū ngū sūm tū bē tēmbā zēbā nā shīng kī tēnī chū jīng kāma bōshī kiāng tēnī Qurāng jī gyā nā yuñ kī gōngmā sā mā rā tā yuñ kī gōngmā rū chā rā tā yuñ kī rā tā gōngmā tā lī gōngmā kī chīm lī yā gōng tā chū yuñ gōngmā kī chīm lī jā bē kā lī yā tū tā zūn chū māng bōshī tēnī tēnī lā mā nyē nē tēnī lā mā rā gu bē kā lō yu bē rā.
Another unique aspect of the Mahasiddha Karma Pakshi's activity is that when before that time, in the 9th century, Tibetan Buddhism was first beginning to establish, the guru from Udyana, Padmakara or Padmasambhava, was invited. And it was he who tamed the spirits and local deities of Tibet so that the teachings could be properly established. In an analogous way, it was Lord Karma Pakshi who tamed or subdued the pride of the Yun dynasty Emperor Kublai Khan. When Kublai Khan sentenced him to 18 successive death sentences or sentences of execution, Karma Pakshi miraculously prevented any of them from working. Having witnessed these miracles, Kublai Khan's pride was broken and he accepted Karma Pakshi as his guru.
Tere ang kashi sana Marco Polo din zamling da jushu ba nyara jin Marco Polo de gab di du sana de kar jana lebe kadure de ji ta kong deb na lo le ya ba ji kar jure da pyoge lama dis magic de an ro de ko ki jer ji yus ta khanda kashi sana kama boshi jever sgor di thong ye research ke cha nge jirang ko chama kashi de sgdo.
Some people say, therefore, that the time at which Marco Polo visited the court of Kublai Khan and the time during which Karma Pakshi was present at it coincided, and that when Marco Polo wrote in his account of his travels that he met Tibetan lamas who performed great miracles, he was referring to Karma Pakshi. But I don't know for sure. I haven't researched the accuracy of this historically.
Kandariya Qur'an ki kama bashi ki da rangnam nalo le ya Qur'an ki rangnam nalo le ya ene kub di du sa ne gyana kongme ki chimje khanji tang yo ba da chila tu be ki chimje rab tang che labar du di na da dukshun rab di meg nalo le ya da mela sabar che che mela sabar ne ga da kong le ya kala khabar chu che kub di du sa ne ni zu ru khanji chung ya ba and thar mela sabi ne me ne mo do de lo yu Qur'an ge rang ge chi sha ba de lo yu da yue de bin bre.
In his autobiography, Karma Pakshi describes the performance of these 18 attempted executions, each of which brought him close to death, but none of which successfully killed him. Of these 18, the worst, as he tells it, was when they attempted to burn him at the stake or burn him in a fire. He had the hardest time overcoming that one, but nevertheless did so successfully and was unharmed by the fire.
어다들이 주사 진제기다 간다 까마버시기 에다 남들 두두 좀 쉬네다 겁들이야다 까마버시기 가르르지 러주 때도 민규르도지기 다나리 중화 라고로다 다나리 중에게 까마버시 러주 뒤ቷ네 온구샤이브라.
Having told you a little bit about the life of Karmapakshi and his activity, I should tell you that the origin of this empowerment and practice is that it arose through a pure vision experienced by the Tirthan Yongey Mingyur Dorje in the year 1652.
대양 니긴고르테 가르쳐졌으나 야와자서 황아 조데 zesung기 긴고르 디르시야바체 디게 긴고르기 조데 까마버시 런이다 긴고르기 조신데바 디르지기다 가르쳐 러줍지임베.
In essence, this Guru Sadhana or Guru Yoga concerns a mandala which in nature is the fivefold mandala of Jinasagara, a form of Avalokiteshvara, but in form is a mandala containing all of the three roots. The principle of the mandala is Lord Karmapakshi himself.
대양 까마버시 고랑기 수만한신 Tene cheres gyawa gyazo ta minyos tabe kamba pa nigi pardu gyuba yue gya chore me gya choba yins. Ta niji karshwe sumbare karasa ti karasung orasana. Ta kama pakshi ta cheres gyawa gyazo lange parura chi mi gyuba yue na tudu me na tudu ngarang gyawa gyazo yins. Ta niji gebe xie na yinbi jusa ti gyunsen. Ta niji 공원에 다 도거나 긴고르기 조데 남주 제레스 겨와겨주 임발라 검들이야 되네 까마버시니 되네 긴고르기 조에 되버데 고바견센 드르신스레.
The reason for this is connected to an often quoted statement made by Lord Karmapakshi himself when he said, "You can consider that there is a lineage of other masters between Avalokita, Jinasagara, and me, renowned as the Karmapa, but it is equally valid for you to think that there is no one in between, no lineage in between us," which is an indirect way of him saying that he is or was the Jinasagara Avalokiteshvara himself. Usually in Jinasagara mandalas, the Chenrezi Avalokita himself is the principal, but here, for the aforementioned reason, Karmapakshi is the principal.
대양 제레스 겨와겨주 랑아디 되네 주진 까마버시기다 간다라 라웨라 지 이담기 조르 짓는 게 유스레. And the Gunzel Dene. That's all the Sanga Ningman is good Israel. Taina the Zode Kamaposhidan. Tana Tusum Kamba Nigalo, Chunduneta, Sanga Nimeki, family, some of the Kimsana, Chumbi, Dusane, that the Gunzel Dene, Yamshena, the Zode, Jawaja Lange, that the Sanga Ningman is good with Jimja.
Another reason for this connection is that it appears that the fivefold mandala of Avalokita Jinasagara was the principal yidam practice of Lord Karmapakshi. This is a practice that primarily comes down from the Nyingma tradition, but because both Dusum Jenpa and Karmapakshi were born into Nyingma families, they both practiced this and maintained it as one of their principal practices throughout their lives.
다나 신기 다더디 야와자수 상아의 긴고르지도 저바디 고르슈비체 다나 신기 안 야와자수 상아의 저숨 자숨디 화 찔러 저바든데기 냠네이나 까마감자 처르도 수여브레 대한 까마버 숨버 런중도지 레마 규베 드네 세바미 저숨 지루 사데 하이 꾸직라 다가로 러구직라 드네 자와자수 상아 용수 줘봐 다든데기 가수레제 냠레나요 다든지 용수 줘봐 네 냠나요.
Having spoken about the fivefold mandala of Avalokitejina Sagara, I should also tell you that within the Karma Kaju, there is a special practice which began with the third Jawan Karmapa Rangchun Dorje, in which the five deity mandala of Jina Sagara is all complete in the single form of Amitayas. This is therefore called Amitayas, the combined sadhana of the three roots in one.
다들 망부슈 먹어제다 샴리아 왕 두스누시아레 제인두사 왕 거리아 응네셰비나 왕도 다쳐봤어도사 왕거 된다 다쳐배 돈에 가르치기에와 에 내가 대다들 가르치기에와디 학고에 돈에 왕체비나 아니지 가서 왕도 다쳐배 돈에 다시 가서에 되네 왕 엄마들 토야를 쓰지 요래 다이네야 다들이 준비 상물로 미망모들 지셔야 상물로야 들이 지시 망고 제가 되던데 아버스 게임도 다들이 주산에 다 질럽점기 되도 질럽점기 천세도 다마 왕도 만들어 지기 알아 들이 주산에 이게 아주 저 지기 알아
that everything I've said at this point has been in the manner of an introduction to this empowerment. Now, strictly speaking, when an empowerment is bestowed, it's appropriate that every phase of the empowerment and the function of each phase of empowerment be introduced or communicated to the students so that they can really receive the empowerment by identifying the empowerment wisdom. However, there are many people here, so it's inappropriate to talk too much about such things. So I'm going to confer the empowerment straight through and receive it as a blessing.
대기한주지 까마버시기 냠내 예바스기 에너지 토라 라소세 지 냠내다 자르체 된데기 통준세위나 야버레스.
Those of you who are Karma Pakshi Guru Sadhana practitioners, please feel free to bring your experience of the practice into this receiving of empowerment. It will further enrich it.
다음은 다음 까망아즈 기시아유스레 까망아즈만도 기시아유스레스입니다. 까망아즈만 기시미 다지.
I've got about 5 minutes to talk. Anyway, I have only about 5 minutes of talk left in me, so it's settled. I'm only going to talk for 5 more minutes.
안들이 가수다 망부지 더들이 그냥 망부지 더들이 가수에 왜 리마도 투야용 가수에 계시야 고급으로 주나 양 유서 말에 근데 주산다 간다 들이 내려야 가수에 아메리카리아다 팅 숨버데 용아 고급데 다 유림부지 고제 아까다 다 유림부서버든 로 싱하지 제리아 신의 중부데 도스레 근데 주산에 안들이 디레지 라바도 안들이 마람 미지나 티 미지나 제다 나와니 리냐 치게가 영화 고급도 충분해 레인주스단에 다 조치슈에기다 야가를 예배 다지 야숑그 나로려야 다 간다랑 가솔이야 겹겨르치니 다 저거든데 왕버시하래 제가 고즈에기 겹겨체부터 대체 아주 대 영토로 또 충분해 레인주스단에 아니 쿠란 솔레 다리 고급지의 뛴제 거진 제대로 지하당 다가난 신기 아주다지 배숑래 다 배숑스 Central Tibetan Administration 다 카드 검사한테 내라면도 다 제단 디제 아들이 제사 상으로래 상회에 다지 간다 들이디 용아르다 고급르디 내라버지 마인바 튕게만 무슨 정도의 인도 구상으로 도시셔이
As there are no doubt many people here whom I won't see again in this visit, I want to speak a little bit. It's taken me 4 years since my last visit to be able to return here to the United States for my third visit. And it's the first time in my life I've ever been able to travel for a period of 2 months at a time. This opportunity has arisen through the generous support and kindness of many friends both in the Indian government, which has been extremely supportive, and also in the Central Tibetan administration. And so this opportunity I've had to be with you here in this country for 2 months has not come easily. It's come through the hard work of many, many people. And therefore, I want to publicly express my gratitude, my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has had a role in making this possible. Thank you.
Thank you. 다들 야가리아 통말 용거야 그 균세는디다 미망부지기 단도인디 계지도 드디도 미망부지다 상거 망부지 다 저랑 야가 용거 균세 카레스 로중에 제라 양가 계지 드디도 땅에기 균세는디 망부지 균세 카시죠 다 디나는 나랑 얘기면에 다지촌 지 균세 시슈르부터 가르통 거라서나 에너지 치 개가 관리야 라와다 데베고안다 로켓 비아르치 다디 아다 그거 시슈르다 니 통고요래 아드레 임비 인두스탄에 아니 소소 변했지 다 탁주를 제 노동 첨부를 제지 연구하고 그거 김세로도 데레 데레디 임비네다 로정의 링리아 소소기 삼바는 신지 마종래 이나야 통마르지 치겔르하데 다 아메리카를 차디 야래 세상에 들으서 봐 삼던 뉴스안에 에너지 경황 군주 주주베게 다지 믹스에 투모면 비지 투지 칠레브르 맨로 삼르치 다 간다 다 지단다 개가 과치나 저거 와다 고주가 다 이내다 고주스르디 아메리카체 텔라다 팅숨즈 레베 인두스안에 되고 미세다 간다 데버지온디 다 드리 데버 영아디 나라 주연다 체타वे 많이 봐. 나랑 주연다 주연다 다다들이 깔아 가보쳐 말아 봐. 다 근데 이제 다 조디 양원 고고매기 투지 질랍 다다는 이제 아메리카 예배게 양원 고고마다 이제 제여 게다 로마츠게 텐듀메베 톱 디줄 때는 총이 받지 나랑 우지 슈에 근데 주산에 경황 꾸리주루 벌은 도시 수석해야 말해. 아 경황도 데 배도다 로메소 로소 제 탐절이야 도시 샤이. 고소해. 고마티는 마미 되게 뜨지디 탕거사다.
Even though it's 15 years since I left Tibet for India, people, including journalists, still ask me why I did it. I had several reasons, but the main one for me personally was so that I be free to travel internationally. And that's why I made the decision to leave Tibet and to go to India, which is, after all, a free and democratic nation. During the past 15 years, my intentions to travel internationally have not been entirely realized, but nevertheless, the first nation that I was able to visit was this one, the United States of America. And I think this could only have come about through the blessing and special vision for this country of the 16th Jamgon Karmapa Rangchu Rigpe Dorje. I don't think this could have happened through my own abilities alone. Through the blessings of the 16th Jamgon Karmapa and through the assistance of his many disciples, including many here, I've had the opportunity to visit the United States of America now 3 times. Well, I can't thank the 16th Jamgon Karmapa because he's not here, but I want to thank all of you.
다들 우마디 녀동제 팅당보 레벨거리야. 전에 가르라서 다들이 베지 팅당보 임베 인자베 디 셰줄의 차이트 시차서 비지 시차. 다 제마 용데 베 릴렉스 수인스라 당아서 기저만 보시래. 니버들 레드스단에 주주디스 텔레 링을 붙여라디네 릴렉스 게임도 지고지고를 다들 팅 숨바데 용베가 다 주주 링부지 제로치스 베 릴렉스 체는 베 아버스고 인슬라 다 다리 다와니론 다와니 그런 차이 차자 비지 차자 다들이 인도산 다 기타 이 책임은 다 간다량 가르에 단도 다와니 데디 만당 받으지 너리나 받으지 다들 버차되게 비서지 다들이 인도산 디균세 되는 마음발이야 가르에 다리 자와사वर 차래 रेंज विस्ताने छठी समय खंजी थोड़े में छठी चिंगे लकाले यार अन गराई ने ता तांबो यूनिवर्सिटी दिस मांगबो जिले छिंचे योंबे इंजा काले खान दिस एग्जॉस्टिक चाने योंबे इंजा याबो जी जोंवा सोसम तंग दोस ये तेरा कोमो जुशाई
When I first came to this country in 2008, because it was my first time, of course the schedule was packed pretty tight. And it didn't worry me too much because I thought, well, this is the first time, that's normal. The next time I come back, the schedule will surely be more relaxed. The second time I came back in 2011, I had a little more time, but the schedule somehow was not more relaxed. It was equally packed tight. So I intentionally made this third visit to the United States longer, 2 months, so that the schedule could be looser and I would have time to relax. Somehow, it didn't work that way. Even though I'm here for a much longer time, the schedule is at least as tight, if not more, than the previous 2 times, and I've been extremely busy. So I no longer trust that I'm ever going to get a time when my schedule won't be packed tight. Also, 2 months, while it's much longer than I was able to be here the first 2 times, really isn't enough time for me to be here in this country. So I hope that in the future I'll be able to spend more time here.
That means I'm more busy.
Yeah,
Okay.
no.
Then?
But this time I've been extremely busy, and I recognize that this has not only been difficult for me, but extremely hard for my very hardworking organizers. But I've been very busy this schedule, mostly visiting a number of universities. And so by the time I came here, I was pretty much exhausted. So I want to apologize to you all because I feel that because of my state of exhaustion, I've not been as energetic as I might have been. I'm sorry.
다들 나대에 지금 마음발이야 못위네 다 가르쳐 장줄이야지 가르쳐다 ahora date kamanga de US asa date mabusta shimika ada ring jusane ane yangge kya samrul ya dari de tuzu kranzu rintanji ngi tuzu dizu 가르쳐 다지 당시에 내 폐부들이야 가부시다 좀 yangge tu지나 샤이 야 sam로 안 구수 세다 요마다 안 간지 달이 미냐 람주요에 민주 샤이 도체나.
Well, I've talked for more than 5 minutes now, so I'd better wind up. I recognize that your time is very precious, and the fact that you have given up so much time to come here, I appreciate very much, and I want to thank all of you for doing so. I wish each and every one of you a long, happy, and healthy life, and every possible success. Thank you.